Chapter 1. The Foundation. Why $10,000 a month is the new financial freedom. The new definition of financial freedom in 2025. The idea of financial freedom has drastically evolved. With inflation, digital economies, remote work, and shifting global trends, $10,000 per month is no longer rich. It's the new baseline for comfort, security, and flexibility. This chapter lays the psychological, financial, and strategic groundwork. Cost of living realities in 2025 cities are more expensive than ever, and even rural areas have seen cost spikes. $10,000 per month allows rent, mortgage, and safe area high quality, groceries and healthcare, education or family expenses, business, reinvestment, and saving. We break down real-world scenarios and budgets showing how this number is realistic and necessary. Why? Most people struggle to hit it. Outdated school-taught strategies, get a job, climb slowly, chasing too many ideas at once, fear of investing time and money, no roadmap, the power of mindset. High earners think differently. Scarcity mindset, I can't. Must shift to abundance mindset, I will find a way. This chapter breaks down daily habits, self-image rewiring, and the millionaire morning routine used by top entrepreneurs. The only 3 models that work in 2025. After studying thousands of successful online earners, we simplify the roots. Skill greater than freelance, greater than agency, content greater than product, greater than brand, system greater than automation, greater than asset. Each route requires mastery and focus but is 100% achievable within 6 to 12 months with discipline. Chapter 2. Route A. High-income skill to service-based agency. What is a high-income skill? These are services you can offer remotely that command $50 plus hour rates. Examples include copywriting, performance marketing, Meta, TikTok, Google Ads, web development, especially no-code video editing, AI prompt engineering. Learn fast, the 90-day immersion plan step by step, week 1 to 4. Pick one skill, get 3 best courses, YouTube. Udemy paid mentorship, week 5 to 8. Do practice projects. Offer free work for testimonials, week 9 to 12. Set up a portfolio and offer your service professionally. First clients. Fast use cold DNS, job boards, and Upwork to land your first gig. Template. Scripts provided. We explore platforms like Twitter, X, LinkedIn, Discord groups, Reddit. Job board scale to $5,000. Then $10K. Once you're consistent with $2, $3,000 per month, it's time to raise prices and streamline. Learn how to outsource, use SOPs, standard operating procedures, and turn your freelancing into an agency. Agency blueprint. We break down how to hire junior talent or VAs, create a sales funnel, build client onboarding systems, automate using Notion, Zapier, Slack. Trello. Chapter 3. Route B. Content to digital product. Impair attention equals income in the modern internet. Attention is the new currency. If you can get eyeballs, you can convert them into dollars. Whether it's short-form videos or long-form blog content, content creation is the engine. Build a personal brand around one pain point. Pick one problem and niche. For example, AI tools for entrepreneurs, budgeting for single moms, digital detox for Gen Z use that focus to create magnetic content and slowly grow trust. Content plan 3 short-form videos week, Reels. TikTok Shorts 1 newsletter or blog week. Repurpose content with AI tools, Opus Clip, Descript, ChatGPT. Monetize with digital products. Once you've built a small following, even 500 people, start selling. $20 ebooks, $50 to 100 mini courses, $500 coaching. Offers $10 month communities tools to use, Gumroad, Stand, Storepod, email platforms. Behive. ConvertKit $10,000 month product stack. You don't need 10,000 followers. You need 100 true fans. This chapter gives conversion rates, funnel templates, and automation strategies that maximize each follower's lifetime value. Chapter 4. Route C. Passive income with AI. Automation and smart investments. Understanding true passive income still requires active setup. The key is building once, profiting for years. This chapter focuses on assets you can automate or invest in. Smart affiliate marketing in 2025 has matured. The new approach: build an SEO blog or review site, use AI tools to generate content, promote evergreen tools and subscriptions platforms. Amazon Associates Partner Stack, ClickBank, SaaS, programs, Phrase, Jasper, etc. Digital asset empire, build and sell. Notion. Templates, Canva templates, prompt packs, AI toolkits, marketplaces, or sell directly. We show you how to build OneDrive traffic with Pinterest, Reddit, or SEO, automate fulfillment, YouTube automation, create faceless channels using ChatGPT for scripts, Pictory or Sora for video, 11 Labs for voice earn with AdSense, affiliates, and ERCH.smart. Investing in 2025, where to invest your profit, dividend-paying ETF as crowdfunded, real estate, Fundrise, crypto staking, and DeFi with risk managed. Build a hybrid portfolio that protects and grows your income. Final words. Focus beats everything. If you want to make $10,000 a month consistently, you need relentless focus. Pick one route, master it for 90 days, then stack. You don't need 5 businesses. You need one that works. 2025 is the best time to build wealth online. Start today. Don't look back.